In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take smart notes in Obsidian to organize your ideas efficiently. Obsidian is a powerful, flexible note-taking app that helps you turn scattered thoughts into a connected knowledge system. By the end, you'll know how to capture ideas clearly, connect them meaningfully, and keep everything easy to find. Start by opening Obsidian and creating a new note. If you're working in a vault you already use, create the note there so it fits into your existing structure. Keeping notes in one consistent place makes them easier to link and revisit later. Give your note a strong, clear title that reflects the main idea or concept. Treat the title like a headline, short, specific, and searchable. This makes it effortless to find later and helps you instantly understand what the note is about. Now, break your ideas into small atomic notes, one idea per note. Instead of cramming multiple concepts into a single page, separate them so each note stays focused. Atomic notes are easier to recombine, link, and reuse, and they prevent clutter. If you notice a note covering several ideas, split it into a few smaller ones. As your ideas connect, use double square brackets to link related notes together. Type and begin the note title to create a link. If the note doesn't exist yet, you can create it on the spot. Linking builds a web of context so you don't have to remember everything. Your notes will point you exactly where you need to go. Add tags using the # followed by a tag name to group similar topics. Tags are great for themes, statuses, or contexts, like topic areas or work-in-progress notes. Keep tag names consistent and avoid over-tagging. A few meaningful tags are better than a long, messy list. Use backlinks to see all notes that link to the current note. The Backlinks panel reveals where this idea shows up elsewhere, which can surface connections you didn't realize you had. Skim through those links to spot gaps, add clarifying notes, or create new links that strengthen your network. Open Graph View to visualize connections between your notes. You can zoom in on a local graph for the current note, or explore the global view to spot clusters and isolated notes. Use the graph to identify areas that are well connected and find orphan notes that might benefit from links. Finally, review and refine your notes regularly. Update links and tags as your knowledge grows, split larger notes when needed, and rename titles for clarity. Obsidian will update links automatically. With these steps, you can take smart notes in Obsidian and build a powerful knowledge network.